and we're playing Solar Smash. It's a pretty good game. What's in here? That's achievement? Yeah. So, we have Planet Smash, System Smash, or Galaxy Smash. I'll show you how to get Galaxy Smash in a later video. But let's review each one. Let's do Planet Smash first. I don't know if the music is copyright or I don't really know, but look at that sun though. Look at it. You can see the moon. Whoa, what the? Whoa, the vortex cannon. Okay. What's the vortex cannon? Okay. So that's what that does. Okay. So let's do the super massive black hole. Oh! Oh! Whoa, we just sent like a bunch of space dust into space. Now it's going to go away because this is Solar Smash. It's not Universe Sandbox. Ooh, black hole. Eating the core. What happens if the core goes away? Oh, I killed 6 billion people. And the other 1 billion are in this part. And this part. Let's kill them. Now there's 0 life on this planet anymore because a lot of it is now gone. Let's go get the 8 ball and the moon. Like all you do is send shockwaves across the entire planet. Also, what's the atmosphere? Meteor shower. As you can see, the meteors are going through the atmosphere, which they're in an atmosphere. Let's go to another system. As you can see, I already have the sun unlocked. Yeah, the Donson Swarm. It's basically the star of the Alpha Centauri system. I believe, because you see that? I think this is like supposed to be a planet and that's its core, or it might be a star. I don't really objectively know. As you can see, this asteroid is going to land, but it did absolutely nothing. Let's do a snowball. It just sent that thing flying. Yeah, let's try to cool down this planet. What? You did nothing. Oh. Black hole. Whoa, that is cool. But wait, it doesn't eat the planet? Let's send the moon at it. Wait, that thing had a different color. Texture, I mean. Oh, it's Earth. It's in a meteor shower right now. Alright, let's make a cinematic, I guess fight. Like a space fight. Aliens first discovered this planet, and then the orbital cannon and the orbital bombardment, and then the fighter wings joined, and then the Falcon wings joined, and then the Titan wings joined, and then the battleship, and then the ancient battleship, and then the Von Neumann probe, a swarm, an anti-swarm, a Lavaton, a Monarch, the Abyss Devourer, the Celestial Smite, and then we got the Giga Chad. Ew! The Doge, the Bonk guy thingy, and then we got the Polygon Entity, and then we're gonna add a Mining Drill, an Xmas Tree, a Remote Missile, an Anti-Matter Missile, a Missile Station, a Fusion Core, football, no, soccer, if you live in the US. And then the tech, and then we got the orbital cannon on the other side. And we got the orbital bombardment, and then we got the and everything is going on in this one segment. And then we have the Planet Killer, the Ancient Destroyer, and the Von Numenon Plague. It's continuing and continuing and continuing to go. How about one more Planet Killer? And then everything calms down. But then an unexpected guest joins. The more Planet Killer. More Planet Killer. The Ancient Destroyer. The Titan Wings. The Falcon Wings. The Spider Wings. The Orbital Bombardment. The Orbital Cannon. The UFO. The Attack Mothership. The Mother UFO. And then a guided missile, and an anti-matter missile, the space wall, the remote detonate, the missile station, then boom, the nuclear missiles, and the Polygon Entity. No way! Whoa, you sound like a dying dog. Eat it. Eat it! Bro, they didn't do anything. Oh yeah, I forgot I had the moon. Oh. I really need a meteor shower. Let me cool you down. Get out. Get out of here. Yeah! what? There's still parts of the planet? Oh, you. Get out. Leave. Alright, let's go to a different thing. Let's go to the System Smash. It's the solar system. Look. They're not all in order, but like, look. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, they have the moon, Mars, Jupiter, well, Ceres, Jupiter, Saturn, all the way out here, Uranus, all the way out here, and then Neptune, all the way out here, the farthest planet. We're not the farthest planet for long, because then Neptune, well, let's go to Pluto. Pluto, you can literally see Neptune catching up to Pluto, because Pluto's orbit is more shorter, was more longer than Neptune's orbit, as you can possibly see. Look, I can literally destroy all the planets. Let's make a new planet. Stop time. And let's take a planet from the TAU city system with Hades. We can drag it. Pretty cool. We can literally throw it into the sun or throw it out. Or we can make it cross paths with like a different celestial body. Like let's see it. Let's see it. See, he doesn't do anything. Then let's aim it right at the sun. And now he's gone. He's gone. He's not in the solar system anymore. And we can also create a planet. And look, we have a gravity generator. As you can see, it is now pushing Mercury into the sun and then sending Venus out of the solar system. And now sending Earth out of the solar system, but not Mars, or not even the sun. The intensity will be rising at incredibly. Let's put out. There's basically 1 million sending planets off into other orbits. Literally, well, let's change up the range. Ceres, oh, there you go, Ceres. Jupiter, Saturn, or Uranus. Is Uranus still okay? Oh, seems like Uranus. What about Ceres? Ceres okay? Seems to be fun. Jupiter, ooh. Neptune? Ain't no way Neptune is okay. And what about Saturn? Saturn, ooh. Yeah, that's what you get for having a gravity generator at the center. Well, not the center. But let's drag it. Let's drag it like. Oh. And then this is a battleship. You can aim at celestial bodies. You can literally see the sun growing. And then we can have a black hole, an asteroid belt, which has small asteroids, a wormhole. Boom. The sun went supernova. Now let's go into the galaxy smash. As you can see, it gives us the Milky Way galaxy. As you can see, we can change its hugeness to so huge to small. Set it back to default. And stars. We can have less stars, or basically the entire thing. We can turn it into like we have a spiral, or we can just turn it into this, and then we expand it, making a giant galaxy. But then we add more curves, and then we have this. Cool, right? Then let's zoom in. And you'll be able to see the center of our galaxy. Well, the center of our galaxy is a black hole named Sagittarius A. I don't know how to say its name, but I think that's how you say it. Hopefully. Look, the galaxy is spinning at a 10 speeds. Let's put it at this angle. Then the middle gets like launched out that much, or you can have it normal, or all the stars get spread out until you can't reach some of them. Yeah, let's put that back at normal, and you there. The heat turns everything into blue stars, which are very bright. But let's turn it back down. NDH2, I don't know what that means. Let's make a small galaxy. Small galaxy. Big galaxy. I just ruined the Milky Way galaxy. Oh, that looks cool. Let's not try to stretch it out. Should I make it smaller? Oh, like that. That seems better. Let's change up the intensity of blue stars. Boom! Bright. Look, I can turn the Milky Way galaxy into an A, because the Milky Way galaxy is other stars can grow bigger than it. Literally, I can take the stars away or add more. Let's take some stars away. And then you're probably wondering, oh, what's that continue button for? I'll show you in a sec. Let me just customize this. Let's turn everything up. Blue star is activated with red stars. Basically like a giant galaxy full of stars. A giant galaxy with more stars. And then the entire galaxy explodes into one giant mass. You can see how huge galaxies can be. They can be small, or they can be absolutely long and huge. Or they can be blue, they can have red stars, they can have no red stars, and with blue-red stars. But as you can see, the stars... So this is what the continue thing does. We have a giant red laser that can destroy things. We have a negative pulse, which sends everything out, and a positive pulse. And we can send everything around. Pretty cool, right? Let's try it with the Andromeda Galaxy. A regular galaxy, to be in fact. Well, you're probably wondering, oh, there's nothing wrong with it. Well, I just changed everything wrong about it. And now it turned into, well, look, a lot of stars are now getting launched out of the galaxy. Alright, let's do continue. There's a giant circle in the middle of the Andromeda Galaxy. Let's get rid of it. Like a giant racetrack full of stars. Apollo. Basically, this is where everything gets launched out and stars get pulled. But that's the end of this video. Let's go back to the main menu. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it because I showed off all of the different Smash variants, like Planet Smash, where you can destroy planets, System Smash, where you can destroy systems, and Galaxy Smash, where you can destroy galaxies. I hope you guys liked this video. Bye bye!